family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. I had a $3 off of $3.01 off of anything. So I forgot I had it on my number. So I went ahead and used it today because Saturday is the last day I can use it, and I will be doing probably a different deal on Saturday. So I'm probably using my husband's card on Saturday, my husband's number on Saturday instead of mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you all what I got. But first, I had went in, and you know how you can do your deals on the app, and you can look to see if they had any of the items in stock, which y'all know that's totally a lie now, because, well, I can't say all stores, but I know the store that I was trying to go to get my, because I was trying to do the 5 off of 20 and then use my, my $3 coupon also. Okay, so I was trying to get everything up, but when I went to the store, they didn't have all the items that I needed. So that kind of threw me off a little. I was like, okay, I knew what I wanted to pay, but I knew the items I wanted to get. Yes, I could have done another deal, but I wouldn't have got that extra $5 off. So that's what I was trying to do, was do that extra $5 off along with my $3 and my $3 on my app also. I was trying to do both of those. So it was like a total of $8 that I would have got off. So I just said, you know what? I'm just going to put some things together and roll from there. So this is something that you can actually pay out of pocket. It's not on the low, but it's on the low, okay? So y'all know, if anybody's been here from the first day I started doing coupon, you know I always said if it's up under $5, it's on the low. If it's up under $10, it's on the, if it's over, well, no, I used to say if it's under 10, it's on the low. But this would have been over the low, okay? Not that much, maybe $1, but it is what it is, because you know how these deals now, the prices have went up. So let's go ahead and get to this video so I can show you what I got. So the first thing, let's move that over, is the Palmolive. Now the Palmolive and the Ajax. Now this Palmolive, it is 40 ounce, and I think the Ajax is 52 ounces, but they're a little higher. Ajax is like maybe $4 and something. The Palmolives, they are $3.50. So when there is a digital coupon, buy one, get one free. And so these are $3.50. So I purchased 2 so I can get that digital coupon. Make sure you clip it so you can get it. So like I said, these are $3.50. Buy one and get one free. Digital coupon did come off. The next thing is this small spaces for Breeze. Okay, this is game scented. Now this was one of the items I was going to use with the 5 off of 20 on the game scented. So this is $3.25. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the game. This is another thing that I was going to use for the 5 off of 20 if I had all the rest of the items. But like I said, they didn't have it. So this right here is $7.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So after he rung up everything, I put my number in. My $3 came off, and then all the digitals did come off. Okay. So I was happy about that. But I really, really wanted to do that deal, y'all. So I'm thinking that I might do it Saturday, but I don't know if I'm kind of like taking a chance if both of them comes off. If both of them comes off on this deal that I want to do, I will get this real cheap. But it all depends on if everything is in the store. So what I'm going to have to do is do a drive-by on a couple of these stores before Saturday. Maybe, well, I'm going to try to, because sometimes even though you actually do a drive-by and look to see if they have the product, somebody could come behind you and purchase them. But those Febreze, the double Febreze, I can't find them nowhere. I don't know if I've been to 2 stores today, and both of the stores, they ain't have the double for the Gain. They had the 4-pack. Well, it's not actually a 4-pack. It's a 2-pack. But you know, it's double, but it's a 2-pack. Now they've been having those, and then a big one, but actually the single ones with the double, they ain't been having them. So I don't know what's going on. I really don't. So this right here, I paid out of pocket. My subtotal was $6.95. Now, remember, I did use the $3, and my $3 did come off. So you have been paying $9.95 because of the $3. So if you don't have a $3 coupon that you were saving and everything, this would have been $9.95. Okay. So let me show you my receipt. So this is the Gain. There's both the Palmolives. There is the Febreze. And then the subtotal was $6.95. You know, everybody's taxes is different. My total savings was $10.80. That's not bad, y'all. And then here is a 5 off of 25. I didn't get one for Saturday, but I got one for August the 7th. That's kind of crazy right there, because I usually would get one for Saturday for the 30th of September. But this just says October the 7th. I wonder what's going on with that. So y'all better keep this. If you get one that is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, you better hang on to it. Do not throw it away if you get one. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Shop.